Clementine is a program and a project that we developed that makes a musical instrument out of an everyday smartphone. Our target audience while we were designing and developing were children. Of course, anybody can use it, novice musicians, but we hypothesized that this would be an effective tool for music education. And so that's sort of just where our idea came from. When I toured the college as a senior in high school, I met with Dr. Bill Manaris, my research mentor, and he gave me a demo of an earlier version of Clementine. It was much more basic, and it really piqued my interest and made me want to come here and study computing in the arts. And eventually I started researching with Dr. Manaris around 3 years ago for my sophomore year. It was commissioned by the Music Library of Greece. It was commissioned as they were developing their new computer music and interaction lab. I believe the name is the MusiX with an X. And so they want to showcase sort of music technology and different ways to experience and act with music sort of to the public. We're accessing the gyroscopic data from the smartphone using an app that sends messages between devices, but it's just like this little controller that's sending the accelerometer data, which is gyroscope data, to the computer. And so we just engineered it a little bit so the movements can be mapped to music. So as you turn the phone to the side, that's sort of like triggers notes to start playing. It's kind of like a guitar strum if you think about it. And then the further you turn it, the sort of faster those notes will get all the way. And then you can control the pitch of the instrument by pointing like your phone up or down like this. And so if you were to trigger a note, I could play higher notes going up and then play lower notes on my way down. And then the last attribute you have as, using the instrument is your volume. And that's mapped to sort of like how agitated the device is. So you can sort of make really loud notes by shaking it all around.